Okay, hello guys, it's me again. We are going to make Dell BIOS. Last video I think we are making HP, and today it is a bit different for Dell. So what I'll do, for Dell you need first of all to download the Dell extractor. You need to have the extractor. Where is it? I downloaded it is somewhere here. Where is it? Dell Finder. It is somewhere. I've already downloaded the. Let me open one of these files here. This one. Maybe it is here. No, I'm supposed to delete this one. I'm also supposed to delete even this one here. So I'm looking for Dell extractor. It is somewhere. I've downloaded it, but there is no problem. Let me come here and search for the Dell extractor. Yeah, it is this one here. So you can see this is the Dell extractor now, where we are going to extract our files from the website of Dell. So let me take you here, and as I've told you, this BIOS I've received from another technician, whereby the Dell laptop it is having some issues. So it sometimes power on, it sometimes not powering on, sometimes it switch off at an interval time. So this is a region BIOS with LED display. That is a region BIOS. So today we are going to make. This is the file that I received from technician. The two files. So this one, as you can see here, 2 latitude. This is Dell 5430. ADL. I've just downloaded this one and I've already extracted. As you can see now, I have 3 files here. This one I received from the technician, which is 32 MB and 16 MB. So this 24 MB, this is a region BIOS where we need to replace. I have copied from the original website of Dell. So this today, comparing Dell with HP, it has some slightly different, so it is better for you to master all brand on how to build, on how to clean a CSME region, GB region, and all other things. Yeah, so I'll take you. We have several processes, but I'll take you for this process. I've tried many processes. Some of them fail, some of them bring some errors, but this today I'm going to show you the simplest, which is this one. So step one, because you have these files here, the 3 files, the 2 BIOS that I have received from the technician, this one I downloaded it from the Dell website. Okay, so what I'll do here, okay, let me open it again. What I'll do here, I will open the X editor. So we are going to combine this first to clean the CSME region. We need to combine this file to be one file. So I'll open here, then I'll come here in tools, then I'll do this. Then as you can see, you have this option here, so I'll add. So we need to combine the two by 16 and 32. So you start with the big file, which is 32. I'll click here, then I'll add, then I'll come and add again, then I'll click on 16, then also the same. So we have already combined the two files now. So what I'll do, I'll come here, output file name. So I'll come here and I press here. So the folder I'll create here, and this one I'll save here. So let me give the name of these two BIOS which we are trying to combine. So I'll write combine BIOS. Then I'll press save. Then I'll come here and click OK. As you can see, it has already been created here. So let me do this. So as you can see, as you can see now, our combined BIOS is having 49.152 because we had combined these two BIOS here, as you can see. So after here now, we have already combined it. We have not add this EMI region here. So what I'll do, I'll come here again, I'll close here. So I want to add now I want to replace the EMI region now. So what I'll do, not EMI region, sorry, BIOS region now. So what I'll do, I'll come here, see, where is the UHF replacer? I'll drag this file here, as you can see this way, to this replacer tool here. Then I'll be waiting for it to open. As you can see now, when I click here, I have the two files now. Once I click here, these files, they have descriptor region, GP region, BIOS region, PDR region, ME region, and padding. So what I'll do now, the combined BIOS, which is this one, we have combined the 16 and 32. So I'll click here, I'll right click, then I'll press replace, because we are going to replace this BIOS. I don't think if you get me, we are going to replace the BIOS. That's why we have not select extract, we have select replace. So we are replacing with the one that we downloaded from the internet, which is this one, as you can see. So what I'll do, I'll select this, then I'm going to save. It's okay. Then after I press OK, I've already replaced with the file that we download from the internet. And if you can see here, there is nothing which it has already been created here. So be very keen here. Let me do this one so that you will see if we are going to have a new file. So what I'll do, I'll come here, file, then I'll click save image file. So as you can see now, already I have the three files now. So what I'll do, I'll choose the location now. You can store it anywhere, you can save it anywhere. So for me, I'll come here and I'll write BIOS bin. So now I want to create dot, let me use dot BIOS dot bin. So this is the file that we are going to get, is the file that we combine the file that we downloaded from the internet now. So what I'll do, I'll click save here. You can see, be very keen here. Whenever I'm going to press on OK, there is a file which will be created here, the one which we replace. As you can see, okay. As you can see, let us wait for the file to come now. We're waiting for the file now. The file, where is it? The file, where is our file? Or it has been saved anywhere? Let me see. No, there is nothing. So what I'll do again, I'll come here. Let me refresh. So I'll try again. I'll come here to HFI tool, to this replacer tool. So what I'll do again, I'll come here to Intel. So press replacer, then I'll press here, then I'll press there, then I'll come here again, save. I'll save here Dell 2. So write bias.bin bias.bin, then I'll press file. As you can see, now we have the file here. As you can see, we have this file which is bias. It has a capacity of 49.52. So what I'll do, I'll come here and delete this one. So now this is the file that we created here. We replace it the region name. So what I'll do now, because we have this file here and our file is ready and it is 49. What is the combined one, by the way? So let me come here. Let me open. After opening, I want to restore something here. I want to restore combine cycling. So this is the file that we get it after we have combined, after we have replaced from the one that we get from the internet now. So what I'll do, I have to split this file now. It is 48 MB. You cannot upload this 48 MB. There is no chip that will support 48 MB. We need two files now. So what I'll do, I'll come here again to X editor. What I'll do, I'll press here again. Now I'm selecting split. Then I'll come here. Which file are we going to split? The one that we created now, this one. We select bias, then we press OK. Then we come here. We'll give it the name and the path. It will be here. So let us write Dell new file. Okay, so I'll press save. Then I'll come here. As you can see, what I'm supposed to do here, I have to start with the big file, which is 32. Here, then we change to MB this way. Then I'll press, you keep your concentration here. You will see if we are going to get some files. So now we are splitting that 48 now after we have replaced the BIOS region. Now let us see, after I click OK, if there is some files. As you can see, we have two files here now. The two files I've already created. This is our BIOS now. When we compare, as you can see, Dell new file 1, Dell new file 2. So this Dell new file 1, 32,768 KB. And when you come here to the original BIOS that I received from the technician, it is 37,768 KB. So they are the same. When you look at this one here now, this is Dell F file 2. It is 16384, and the original BIOS 16384. So they are all the same, meaning this file is ready now. What I'll do, I'll take this file, these two files. This is for our BIOS now. I'll share to technician so that we'll go and upload the file. And I know, and I'm very sure this file is working 100% because we have followed the steps and the procedure. And if you have one as a technician, maybe you can share it so that we can work together, so that you can make more jobs. So this one ready now. I'll send it now to the technician now. This is cooked and it is ready. So next now we are going to check on how to to do a Toshiba BIOS creation. For Toshiba BIOS creation is a bit different, but I'll have to give you all the procedure, and if you think that you have anything maybe you have not understand in this video, so I'll provide my number here, then you are free to ask anything, or you think of me making any video of BIOS. If you wish, maybe if you have one, maybe you can share to you, or you just tell me I want you to create a BIOS, maybe this and this, doing this and this, whatever, I'll do it, because it is my job. That is how I'm supposed to do. That is my job. So I'll prepare that one for Toshiba creation. So it will be totally different, but I think we have to do it, yeah. So you should not forget on this Dell, what you need to do, first of all, you copy the old BIOS file, you go to the Dell support download, in search put service tag, maybe tag number, download the BIOS stroke the firmware exe file, then download the Dell extractor from GitHub, then you drag downloaded file into the Dell PFS extractor. I think you get my point now, so I'm explaining so that you will not find some difficulties. After you have dragged, file will be extracted in one folder. Then you open the UEFI tool. As I've showed you, drag the old BIOS in the UEFI tool. Then you click on BIOS region and then right click. Then click replace as the way I have showed you, and this is our file. Then what do we call it, the next step that we're going to do is to select the path of extracted folder. So for me, I decided to place them at the same folder. You can decide on the desktop, whatever, anywhere you can place them. Then you will select your BIOS region. After we have saved that file, your new BIOS is ready. The new BIOS which is ready are these two BIOS files here. So these are ready to upload. This is how we do, or we create BIOS for Dell 5430. So what I'll do now, I'll come here, I'll close this page here again. To all those who are watching, thank you for your time. So we are going to close our section ends here. If you think you have anything, you can just comment, then I'll do some follow-ups and I'll try to do what you will say or what you will suggest. Thank you. Have a nice time.